Alright guys, today let's talk about waterless washing. Waterless washing is basically when you take a spray bottle and you dilute a product, let's say American Detailer Garage, with water. So in this bottle I put 1 ounce of American Detailer Garage Wipeout. That's a rinseless concentrate, but we're talking waterless today. So this also does waterless or clay lube. So we're gonna do waterless. So you put the 1 ounce into there and you fill it with 32 ounces of water. It's 1 to 32, all right? And that's gonna give you this bottle right here of waterless wash. And let's talk about, this is O&R. This is another product. This is another rinseless. You can use as a clay lube or a waterless. I'm gonna use it as a waterless today. And I did the same thing. I put 1 ounce to about 32 ounces inside there. You're gonna need a lot of microfiber towels, you guys. And I can't stress that don't be afraid to use as many as you want, because this system takes a lot of towels so you don't scratch your car. Now we're going to do the double pistol method today, and we're going to use both of these products, which are essentially very similar. They don't have silica or they're not SiO2 waterless washes, so these are just regular polymer waterless washes. All right, you guys, at this point we have a van that is not super dirty, but it's been sitting outside. This van doesn't get garage kept, and it's rained, and the dust and the rain have gotten together. So let's use the double pistol method. We get both of these, shake them up, and we go ahead and spray it. And this is why I call it the double pistol method. You spray it real good. I don't put these on glass, although you can. These ones would be okay, but I don't put the silica-based ones. So like I said, you go ahead and spray this liberally. The double pistol method works because you're using 2 hands and getting twice the product on there. You're not wearing your fingers out trying to use 1 hand and spray the whole car. Now there are pump sprayers that you can use, and those are fine as well. It's being encapsulated, as you will. And I will also spray the towel a little bit, get a little moist. And you're gonna take this and you're gonna wipe it in a lifting motion. And you're looking for dirt. So there's not that much dirt on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this side, get this window done. And I'm going to continue on with the wiping motion, looking at this. And as you get to the lower parts, it's going to get dirtier. And usually, so now we've got some dirt on there. So what I do is I kind of don't get the bottom until I'm done with this section. And spray this. This has been sitting over here. As you can see, this one has a little bit more dirt on it. So you just use the other side. This window here. All right, flip this towel over. Now we use that side, so we're going to flip it inside out. And now, since I'm almost done, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the bottom of this. So it's not really that dirty. I just did the bottom. So I'll flip to a clean side and I'll go back and dry everything. Guys, if the towel's not too wet, I'll use a clean side and go ahead and dry. If it gets wet, then I'll get a new towel and dry with that. And I'll just wipe these windows before they get fully dried in the sun. Now we're talking fast car wash on the go here, guys. Fast car wash on the go. Double pistol. Guys, you're always going to be looking at your towel as much as you can and flipping sides to a clean side. I can't stress that enough. Use as many towels as it takes. Alright, I'm done. I'm going to get down to the bottom. This side's done. Open it up. Go over this window. Try this side. All right, let's do the rest of the car. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and spray the windows, spray the front of the car now. And mind you, you spray this all over. You spray it very liberally. It doesn't cost too much to make a bottle. You know, you figure a gallon of this stuff costs somewhere around $40, and it's dilutable to make many, many gallons. You know, you might be able to make 10, 12, 16 gallons. It depends on which ones you buy. They're all a little different. So it doesn't cost much to fill up a bunch of these bottles. You know, you're talking pennies and cents per bottle. So go ahead and use it as much as you can. Spray it. This is a cleaning liquid. So you're cleaning the car with this. After you're done cleaning the car and the windows, you can go right back over it with glass cleaner. If you have any smudges, if you didn't get it all off, you can go over your paint with wax of your choice, some type of protection. To make this faster, I'm going to go ahead and use a different towel on these windows, and then I'm going to finish washing the top of this vehicle, which just kills time, so I'm going to skip all of that. And we'll get on to the next section. And let's finish the back up here. Now the back is notoriously dirty, just like the bottom of the car. Let's spray it real good. Some dirt, so let's switch it out. I'll try to dry this. This is gonna have to get a clean towel for this window. Very dirty, very dirty. I told you about the back, so switch it to the clean side. Alright, we went over all that. That's about it. Let me go get a clean towel so I can do the window. And we got the fresh towel. fresh towel is always key when getting the windows clean. All right, that's about it. Now we got to do the top. Let me finish the top here and we will be done. At this point, we're pretty much done. We just need to finish the rims up. So we use a waterless wash, just spray them on the rims. I use an old dedicated rim towel that's only used on rims so I can clean them. And I wipe them down. Go through all the little spokes, get it all finished up. At this point, we're finished. Go ahead and look over all the car. Make sure you didn't miss any spots. You can always do any touch-ups if you did miss some. At this point, you can apply your wax of choice, spray. You can do a quick detailer if you think it needs more shine. I think it looks good, so I'm going to be finished here. Thanks for watching.